Even before the pandemic, you would have struggled to find anyone who did not know what a dolphin was. But thanks to the BBC's Blue Planet series and 2 years worth of opportunity to watch that on repeat, I think you'll now also struggle to find anyone who does not understand the importance of protecting these charismatic animals and their environment. Now, marine mammal populations are under ever-increasing pressure from human activities, such as fisheries, renewable energy developments, and climate change, just to name a few. In order to effectively manage these pressures and protect marine mammals from the potential impacts, we need information on several factors that can inform on population health. Now, one way of acquiring such information is by looking at individuals that strand on the coastline. We can quite literally turn a dead stranded animal inside out and assess parameters from their age and nutritional condition to their disease burden and reproductive fitness. And by doing so, we can learn a lot about the health and pressures on an individual animal. That useful information, some might say. Now, the UK has had a stranding scheme in place since 1990. So we have 30 plus years worth of valuable information on stranded individuals. What we do not have, however, is a very good grasp of how much of the mortality that happens at sea we actually get to observe on the beach, or how representative our individual animals that we look at are of the animals that are currently forming part of the living population. And this is exactly what my research is going to address. Now, this is by no means a straightforward task, because one single stranding event is the result of a complex function of a biological, a physical, and a social process. Now, to explain that a little bit better, I'd like to refer to the left half of the slide here. So the small blue circle shows the examined animal, and this is representative of the biological component. Now, in order for this animal to become a data point, it would have had come ashore, which is influenced by physical factors such as carcass drift and coastal geography, but also social factors such as public awareness, because an animal will need to be found and reported in. Now, this may look a bit simple here, but each of these components are complex and they're interlinked, and each come with a certain level of uncertainty. Yet, with an increase in anthropogenic pressures comes an increased demand for information about marine mammal populations. The information we can obtain from dead individuals is invaluable and is very difficult to obtain via any other way, unless perhaps we start whaling again, which is controversial and also defeats the purpose. So what we really need, and what I will be aiming to develop, is a better analytical approach to disentangle this complexity of the stranding process, so that we can extrapolate that what we know about the dead to what we need to know about the living. Thank you.